Hello everybody out here on YouTube. It is I here, Real Beautiful Beauty. Going to do a doggy product review for you here today with the help of my beautiful beauty assistant, none other than Mr. Doberman Pinscher. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, so we used this actually earlier today so he can give you a fair and honest review of this product. And he tells you that he loves it, he likes the flavor, he likes the taste of it. This is a doggy toothpaste. This is the Top-A-Clean Fresh Breath Made Easy Brushing Gel. And rather than being a toothpaste, this is an actual tooth gel, which serves the same purpose. It says, clean teeth, fresh breath, addresses plaque and tartar, natural fresh mint flavor. This comes in a 2 fluid ounce squeeze bottle with a nozzle tip here for easy dispensing on your doggy toothbrush. This works fantastic. It really does. And it has better ingredients in it that some of your other traditional store-bought doggy toothpaste have in them. So before I brush his teeth with anything, I really do my research, and I make for certain that there's no harmful additives or harmful ingredients in the products that I use for his teeth. Just because that's how we roll here. Okay, so I bought this, I believe, at Vitacost.com. I will put in the down bar below how much I paid for it. It works fantastic. It really freshened up his breath. It really whitened his teeth. It did help with tartar. I scrubbed his teeth this afternoon when we had some doggy bonding time and I had some free time. And this works fantastic, so I do recommend it. And the ingredients are a lot better, and they're not as harmful as some of the other doggy toothpaste out there on the market. This says plant-derived alcohol, natural mint, it's glycerin, a natural cleanser, green tea, leaf extract. So all in all, it did the job. We recommend it, and he loves the flavor of it. Yeah, and he survived another day of doggy teeth brushing. Okay, so now take care now. I will put in the down bar below how much I paid, more specifics. Okay, take care now. Bye.